Looking for a premium, ready-to-install linear switch that truly lives up to the hype? Let's talk about the Gateron Oil King V2. These are the newest, pre-lubed version of the legendary Oil King, and they come with an important upgrade: enhanced, more durable pins for a secure fit into your PCB. Right out of the box, the purpose of these switches is clear: to deliver a deeply smooth, thocky typing experience with zero fuss. They are widely regarded as some of the best pre-lubed switches available, saving you hours of meticulous hand lubing. With a 55-gram actuation force and a 65-gram bottom out, they offer a substantial, satisfying press that isn't fatiguing. The 4mm total travel and the claimed 60 million keystroke lifespan speak to a switch built for serious, long-term use. The standout feature is undoubtedly the factory lubrication. It's expertly applied, providing a buttery smooth descent and a remarkably deep, resonant sound signature that keyboard enthusiasts crave. The gold-plated spring and contacts ensure consistent electrical performance, while the housing supports both through-hole and SMD LED compatibility, offering great flexibility for your build's lighting. In real-world typing, they feel impeccably smooth and consistent. The sound is a low-pitched, creamy thock that makes every keystroke feel premium. The packaging is also a pro. Each of the 36 switches sits securely in an individual plastic tray within a sturdy box, preventing any damage during shipping. For comparison, these sit above typical budget linears and compete with other premium pre-lubed options, often winning on sound profile alone. A potential con for some is the heavier spring weight. If you prefer a very light touch, these might feel a bit substantial. Also, while the lube job is excellent, purists might still want to fine-tune it to their personal taste. A practical tip: ensure your keyboard plate supports 5-pin switches for the most stable installation, though you can carefully clip the 2 plastic legs if needed for a 3-pin board. In closing, if you want a luxurious, deep-sounding linear switch that performs brilliantly straight from the package, the Gateron Oil King V2 is an outstanding choice. They deliver on their promise of a top-tier, hassle-free experience. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on these switches in the comments below.